Welcome back to another exciting video on Nexa's channel. Today, we're diving into the world of earning money online with TimeBucks. If you're looking to boost your income from the comfort of your home, you're in the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Now let's jump right into it. TimeBucks is a platform that offers various ways to make money online. Here are some of the ways you can earn with TimeBucks. Paid surveys. TimeBucks provides surveys on a wide range of topics. By completing surveys, you can earn cash rewards. Watching videos. You can earn money by watching videos on TimeBucks. Simply select a video category, watch the videos, and accumulate earnings. Completing tasks. TimeBucks offers micro tasks that you can complete to earn money. These tasks can include data entry, categorization, and more. Referral program. By referring others to TimeBucks, you can earn a commission from their earnings. The more referrals you have, the more you can potentially earn. Offer wall. TimeBucks partners with various advertisers to provide offers and promotions. By completing these offers, you can earn money or receive discounts. Sweepstakes. TimeBucks runs regular sweepstakes and contests where you can participate for a chance to win cash prizes. Content creation. TimeBucks has opportunities for creating and sharing content, such as uploading videos or posting on social media, which can earn you money. It's important to note that the amount you can earn on TimeBucks will depend on your level of activity and the availability of tasks or surveys. It's also a good practice to review the terms and conditions, eligibility criteria, and payment details on the TimeBucks website to fully understand how the platform works. Remember, while TimeBucks provides opportunities to make money online, the actual earnings will vary based on your efforts and the tasks available at any given time. And that wraps up today's video on TimeBucks. If you found this information helpful or if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Remember, the link to TimeBucks is in the bio, so be sure to check it out and start earning money online today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.